luxury caravan tour today. So going to give you an inside look of these gorgeous properties brought to you by Virtue Real Estate Group, and also going to be visiting a new development, Shaywood. So stay tuned and enjoy the ride.
If they're looking to stay out of an HOA, there's no HOA in here, so it's a great opportunity for them. Also, a lot of people like just the location where it's kind of tucked away. This is a 4-bedroom. It's got a next-gen suite on it. It was built by Pinnacle Homes, single story. The client put probably close to $500,000 into the backyard. So you'll see it when we get back there. Let's go take a look.
This is 7780 Hickam. This house is about 4,800 square feet, single story, 3 bedrooms, plus a next-gen suite with its own bedroom, bathroom, living area, and little kitchenette. Really the showstopper is the backyard. They put about $500,000 to $600,000 into the backyard there. They've got a pool, they have a spool, huge outdoor shower, LEDs all throughout, 3 water walls, fire pit. There's also 35 panels of paid off solar on the roof, reverse osmosis, water filtration. They upgraded these counters. This is a Pinnacle build, so everything is just, they've got the herringbone tile, they've carried that out to the backyard as well. The whole backyard is tiled, pavers around the pool. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. But
So this home is in Northwest Las Vegas. The other homes that we'll be touring are in Summerlin, but we're still fairly close to Summerlin. And here in the Northwest is really a prime spot to get more land. And as you can see, we're on a full half-acre pool spot, and beautiful landscaping. Definitely makes Northwest Las Vegas unique and prime location. If this is something you are looking for, comment below. There will be details on each of these homes that we will be touring today. So what I love about this home is, of course, the backyard, all the upgrades. It's a single story, and I just love the layout. You have the pool, the spa. It's completely finished back here, great for entertaining. And you have this pool area and then a swim pool. So you have this open spa with mountain views, of course. You also have a dog run here, outdoor shower, and a next-gen suite. So this is going to be the next-gen suite here, and then on the other wing will be the primary. And we'll take it inside. So there will be a full tour of this home on my YouTube. And this is going to take you to that next gen suite. So you have your primary living here with an attachment to your kitchen, tons of storage. And I love, love, love the herringbone tile here. Again, the full tour will be on my channel of this home. Full kitchen and bar area. And then access to that pool and spa from the next gen suite as well. Taking it this way, we'll go to the other opposing rooms plus the primary suite and a laundry room. And beautiful link and Jack and Jill that links the two rooms. And this will be staged as an office, but fully equipped if you wanted to do a room. And it overlooks the side yard here, just to give you a perspective of where we are in the house. I love the French doors that open up to this primary suite. Very sleek design throughout. And we will take it to the next location.
This home was originally built by TriPoint. It was built in 2023. Obviously, it's a single story, but we have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The home site itself is over 8,700 square feet, and it ends in a cul-de-sac here, so you have very limited neighbors, which is a great selling point. One additional thing I want to also mention is that we are offering a interest rate buy down, so you have a buyer that is interested in moving forward, but they're kind of, on the heels of possibly moving forward because of interest rate. This is a great opportunity for them. So, enjoy.
Two-car garage here, and then you have another single on the opposing side. I love this primary suite. We will also be seeing a full tour on this home as well, here in Summerlin West.